Having excellent vision means being able to experience all the opportunities life has to offer. It's nice if there is someone who can help you get superb vision, offer professional advice, and provide the very best care. Dr. Lukin's Eye Clinic provides laser eye surgery for reducing or eliminating dependence on eyeglasses or contact lenses. Our clinic specialists have treated more than 7,000 patients. Dr. Lukin's Eye Clinic, founded in 2003, is an elegant clinic with a boutique atmosphere in the center of Riga. Here you will meet skilled doctors who provide diagnosis and treatment of eye diseases using the most advanced technology. Deciding that you don't want to be dependent on glasses or contact lenses is the first step towards achieving perfect vision. The next step is to head towards the center of Riga, where Dr. Lukin's Eye Clinic is located. I wore glasses and contact lenses for about 11 years, but it was not the best option for me because it was uncomfortable. With glasses I couldn't do anything, so I tried contact lenses, but even they did not give me a sense of freedom and I felt like a prisoner. To make sure that you are a suitable candidate for laser eye surgery, you will have to come in for a pre-operative eye examination. You can coordinate the time of the examination by calling or by visiting our clinic. If you usually wear contact lenses, you must refrain from wearing them for 2 weeks prior to this examination. This will let the cornea recover its natural shape, which is one of the main preconditions for an excellent outcome to the operation. Arriving at Dr. Lukin's Eye Clinic, we will make you feel expected and welcome in our clinic. You will have the opportunity to read several brochures and to watch a video that includes important information about laser eye surgery. During the pre-operative examination, our physicians, who have experience in Switzerland, Germany, the United Kingdom, and the USA, will determine your suitability for laser eye surgery. The examination includes detailed evaluation of your eyes to define the best individually tailored treatment method for you. After the examination, our specialists will explain the surgical process. We will offer the most suitable day and time for the surgery. It will be a day that will definitely change your life. On the day of the surgery, you should not apply makeup or any facial cosmetics. Before the treatment, we will answer any questions you may have. I was preparing for this surgery for about 2 years, but I was still afraid on my way there. But the responsive and friendly staff reassured me and gave me good advice. Before the treatment, you may be a little nervous. Therefore, we will offer you a cup of tea and the opportunity to relax in a cozy sofa. In the operation room, you will be impressed by the state-of-the-art Excimer Laser Concerto, the fastest laser in the world. This laser is only available in a limited number of clinics worldwide. There are 3 methods of the laser eye surgery in our clinic that provide safe, precise, and predictable outcomes: wavefront LASIK, femto-LASIK, and trans-epi-LASIK. Wavefront LASIK is a form of cornea surgery in which a surgeon uses a specialized and precise flap-making instrument called a microkeratome to create a thin flap of corneal tissue. This method includes extra measurements that are individually calculated and provide you with the most appropriate correction. Using the femto-LASIK method, the flap in the cornea is created by the laser, and there is no flap using the trans-epi-LASIK method, but a trans-epithetical surface treatment by laser is made. All of the methods of refractive surgery provide excellent outcomes and fast recovery after the operation, and the most suitable method will be chosen for you by the physicians of Dr. Lukin's Eye Clinic. The laser treatment lasts about 1.6 seconds per dioptry, and the average time for operation is about 15 minutes, but the outcome is amazing. Prior to the surgery, I expected pain and some unpleasantness, but there was none. The only thing I felt was slight pressure on the eyeball when the doctor immobilized it. After the surgery, you will relax in our clinic for a few hours, keeping your eyes closed to aid the healing process. Later, the doctor will make a post-operative examination of your eyes and will explain about required eye drop use. Leaving our clinic, you will need assistance and sunglasses to protect your eyes.
Pirmo reizi operācijas rezultātu es baudīju jau šajā pašā operācijas krēslā.
I got to experience the results of the surgery right away while still sitting in the operating room, when the doctor asked me to take a look at the clock on the wall and to tell him what I could see. I could only say wow, because I saw everything, every number, which prior to the surgery I could not see without my glasses or contact lenses. The next time was when I went out onto the street and I could see the beautiful view with my own eyes.
Un pavērās šī visa plašā ainava, ko es redzēju pati savām acīm.
We will examine your vision during your next visit and ask how the quality of your life has changed after the operation. We are sure that you will be amazed because your vision will get better day by day.
Kā ķirurgam es domāju, ir priekšrocība veicot šīs operācijas, redzes korekcijas, jo
I think that I have an advantage as a surgeon when conducting laser eye surgery because I underwent the surgery myself about 6 years ago. I really understand people's feelings and emotions after the surgery when they see things clearly for the first time. It's great when I meet my patients and talk to them after surgery to see their emotions and feelings of happiness and joy. It's great to be able to do this. Advanced technology, an excellent outcome, an individual approach, and a balance between high quality and affordable prices for every patient. This is our mission. Decide to have laser eye surgery at Dr. Lucan's Eye Clinic and give us the opportunity to give you a miracle every day for the rest of your life.